Now, let's create 6 flower petals. Okay. So, in this case, we need to create more petals. So, we need to minimize the size of our petals. So, in this case, let's make a loop, a small loop, approximate 4-inch loop for our 6 flower petals. Okay. Now, let's create another one. This is the second one. This is the third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. Always remember, 4 inches loop. The size of our petals is 4 inches. Now, this is the last one. Now, wrap this around securely so that it won't come out. And that's it. This is the 6 flower petals. Hope you like it.